Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the height on your Hyundai lawnmower. Obviously make sure you're unplugged when you're doing this because you're going to be working underneath it. So we're going to turn it upside down and we have 3 different height settings for the front wheel and the back as well. Right now you can see that it's on this setting here, so basically this is on its highest setting. If you want to lower it, you need to, there's a spring here, you need to grab this axle and you need to put it in towards the middle like so, and then you can drop it down to the next level. You can now see it's on the middle level here, so then it's going to be cutting your grass a bit shorter. If you want your grass the shortest, you can do it to the very shortest level, that one there. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and it's the same on this side here, 1, 2, 3. So that's how you move it there, and it's the same process on the front as well. If you find that your lawnmower is not level, it could be because you might have it on that setting there and the middle setting here, and you can see that it's not going to sit right like that. So if you find that when you're going along it doesn't seem to be right, it could be because you've got that incorrect there. And now on the front bit here, same thing again, 3 different settings. So we have that one there in the middle, that one there for the longest setting off grass, and that one there for the shortest setting of grass. Thanks for watching.